gents, welcome back to another video. So 2nd of Jan, kicking off the new year 2026, really just getting down to some nitty gritty of the work. In previous years I've started off pretty slow, pretty unfocused, a bit lackluster, bit choppy around the edges. So this year I really want to start off sharp, focused, with the right intentions, the right processes, the right frameworks. So it's currently 8:30 in the morning. Obviously I'm not trading just yet. Next week will be my first week of trading. I'm really just going through charts, backtesting my strategy, really just trying to stay sharp on what it is that I'm looking for, when I'm looking for it, and what positions I'm really focusing on taking. So going into this year, my focus will really be on my processes and keeping those as clear cut as possible. That in turn is going to allow me to scale up my prop firm capital. So again, that's something I'm focusing on at the start of this year. E8 Markets was kind enough to gift me and my community a few accounts to try. So I'm actually going to be documenting that journey with them on this YouTube channel here with you all. So I'm going to be sharing all the trades that I take, all the losses, talking you through their platform, seeing what I like about it, seeing what I don't like about it, because ultimately this is not a paid promotion. They're not paying me to make this video. They've not told me to make this video. They have just given me an account to try, see what I think, and give my honest feedback. So that's what I'm going to do. So stick around for more of those videos. Very often people start the new year with all this motivation, all of this excitement about starting on a clean slate. I think this is, a really good sort of transition period that people can actually do. But very often we just kind of overhype this new year, new me type mentality. And when it actually comes down to the work, it's very difficult for people to stick to it and follow through on what they say they want to do. I think for a lot of us traders, this shouldn't be a new year, new me type mentality. It should be just a progression, a continuation of what we were already doing. Again, if you're not necessarily seeing the results that you want to see, then sure, this could be the catalyst for you to change something. And the biggest change that I saw was when I really took 100% accountability for my actions, my results. And, that stripped me of all the excuses that I used to come up with as to why I wasn't seeing consistency and why I wasn't seeing any results. And that really is ground zero for actually being able to build from there, because at that point, you have no choice but to put in the work. You have no choice but to consciously make a decision to change. And every day you have a conscious decision to make. You have complete free will of what you're going to do and what decisions you're going to make in that day. So at any point, you can just decide. You can just decide that, yes, maybe I did that in the past, but today, that's not who I am. And I don't do that because that's my old self. And the new me, the version of me that sees results, sees consistency, does not do that. And that's really where true growth happens.
All right, so I thought whilst I'm at the charts, I could do a little breakdown of EU headed into 2026, kind of my expectations, what I'm going to be looking at for this upcoming month. When we go to the daily, obviously daily is going to be more of a significant time frame for me, just because I am an intraday trader. Order flow is to the upside, so the expectation would be for this trend to continue until these lows are broken here. Then, if we break these lows with intent, we could see price start to trade down lower towards these December and November lows. Couple of arrays then on the daily, bullish fair value gaps continuing to be respected. If we close above this one, that will be very, very nice for a potential move up to these somewhat relative equal highs up here. Looking at the 1 hour, obviously we have our daily levels here. That's fine. You know, we have our H1 areas as well. Slight displacement levels here. We've also seen a sweep of these previous lows and a nice bullish reaction from that as well. So natural targets are going to be these highs up here, and then this potential trend line liquidity a little bit further up. So expectation is for EU to be heading higher. Again, it's Friday, so not really expecting too much. And then next week is the first official week of January. So we'll see how price plays out.
All right, so I just got back from, actually probably shouldn't have lighting behind the camera, that's better. I just got back from M&S. Thought I'd grab myself some scran, barbecue chicken, bacon, sweet corn pasta, Bosch, cheeky little Red Bull. Gonna smash this. Watch some Ben Maller. If you don't watch him on YouTube, check him out. Gonna smash this, then get back to some more back testing, collecting some more data. I have just filmed a Instagram reel. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me. I'll put a little tag there for you to follow. I'm gonna chow down on this and I'll talk to you all soon. All right, so evening is now rolling round. I'm pretty much done for the day, to be honest. Gonna get some food later, maybe do some evening work. It's kind of been my therapy lately, I guess you could say. Something I very much enjoy. Just those late night sessions, man. I don't know what it is about it. I know this video was a bit cluttered. I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you're still here, give it a like, do the usual, comment down below, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you all soon.